Davido's third baby mama, the Chef Chi, stormed the internet with her banging body with the caption, "Mood." Hello guys, welcome back again to another episode of Gist with Jenny. If this is the first time of coming across my video, you are absolutely welcome to my channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, okay? Turn on the notification bell. With that, anytime I put up a new video, you will be notified. To my returnees, you guys are amazing. Thank you so much for the support. I do not take it for granted. My people, I don't come back again with another latest update from the Chef Chi. She posted this particular picture you are seeing now on her verified Instagram page with the caption, "Mood." My people, no be smarty, no. Everywhere was on fire, like people really commented on this picture. Una know the story wey follow this her banging body come. Like seriously, how people come they talk say she don't go do the body come out. Sometime last month, rumor has it that she carry her pikin for the money go do surgery, like she go use am increase her butt. The rumor went round all social media platform. You guys already know the Chef Chi now. She no send anybody, like seriously. She's just busy flaunting her figure 8 up and down. Like the recent picture that she posted there, my people, he choke. Like seriously, he choke. She looks so beautiful on that picture and everything just came out, like the curves, everything were just well curves, guys. So what do you all think about this picture? She had a lot of comments. People were just commenting on that picture, praising her, saying all sorts of things. It was so funny, guys, but now the picture looks good. And recently, another blogger, a popular blogger on Instagram called Cutie Juice, also made a comment. Like she posted on his Instagram page saying that a particular baby mama, a famous baby mama, has been infected with Oga Koro. Una already know wetin I wan talk, but she did not mention the person's name. And when I went to the comment section, people said that it's Chioma, because Chioma is in Dubai at that particular time. You know, we don't really know how true all these things is. It's just the blogger that have just been carrying all this news, saying that Chioma got infected with Koro, Oga Koro. Okay, so this is what is really raining now on social media platform. So a few days after this blogger posted that a popular baby mama was infected with Oga Koro in Dubai, Chioma stormed the internet with this particular picture you are seeing right now on your screen. Okay, I'm sure the reason why she posted this picture is to tell us that, look, oh, that's in where this blogger talk now lie, say she doesn't have anything, that she's safe and she's healthy and she's having fun. Okay, so I'm sure that is the reason why she's posted this picture. So me, even when I saw this picture, I thought say this thing no fit be true, because somebody will get this kind of thing no fit come out, they show herself like this. Now understand wetin I dey talk, The person suppose they on top bed, maybe they cry, or maybe they even though they get headache or one or two things, you know. The person not supposed to come out, they show herself like this. This will say that what that blogger said is not true at all. You know, that she's just healthy, she's fine, she's just having fun. That means it's not true. Okay, you know, before she posted this picture, I used to say that she didn't do anything. When I heard that gist about her having a plastic surgery to increase her butt, I used to say that she did not do it at all, that she cannot even do that. I know Chioma very well, but from this picture that I'm seeing now, hey, my people, something happened. No, like seriously. It's the baby, she do a well, hey, but the picture is really, really beautiful. Honestly, it's very, very beautiful. And yeah, people really, you know, people liked what they saw. Yeah, people liked what they saw. Let me just put it that way. So what do you guys think about Chioma having this banging body, like this her figure 8 that she just, you know, she just flaunted online recently? What do you guys think about it? Whatever your opinions are, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Okay, so on the other hand, Davido just landed with his latest baby. My people, Davido has, you know, Davido's baby touched down Nigeria. Davido got himself a new car. Like, hey, he even said that is going to be his last car, that he's not going to buy any other car again. But my people, when that car dropped, he shook. It really shook. Honestly, the car is so beautiful. Like this Davido is sabi good thing well. And you guys can recall that last month being his birthday, donated the sum of 250 million naira to the less privileged. You know, a lot of talk went down the internet about this month. Someone like Nollywood actor Uche Madagu did not believe him when he said that he's going to donate 250 million naira to the less privileged, to the orphanage. He did not believe. He said that Davido is a big liar, that he's not going to do that the money he has used it to go and clear his Rolls Royce. But my people, believe me, that is not true. Davido has actually donated that money to the less privileged. Congratulations to Davido, and I pray that God bless him as he blesses those that does not have money. God will continue to bless him too. Okay, so my people, what do you guys think about all this gist flying around internet about Chioma in particular? Yeah, what do you guys think about it? Whatever your opinions are, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I still remain your one and favorite Jennifer in the building. Always know that you are highly loved and appreciated by me. I love you all. Bye. Please do not forget to like this video, share this video, and please make sure you watch the rest of this video to the end. Goodbye.